courted me 9 months better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter. With his hammer in his hand, he looked so clever. And if I was with my love, I would live forever. But where is my love gone? With his cheeks like roses and his good black bill cock on, deck around primroses. High fears a shining sun may burn and scorch his beauty. And if I was with my love, I would do my duty. Strange news is come to town, strange news is carried, strange news flies up and down, that my love is married. I wish them both my joy, so they can hear me, and my God reward him well, for this light of me. Don't you remember when you lay beside me and you said you'd marry me and not deny me? If I say I'd marry you, it was only for to try you.